Dear customer, thank you for your Leadleds car set. In this video, I will introduce this amazing car set for you. It is programmed by this remote control. It is really wireless LED sign. This is powered by this secret light. If you want to use this car set for your store, for office use, you can purchase Leadleds this AC adapter. This one is for the 100 and 200 5 voltage to 12 voltage, so it can plug into socket and connect this secret light. So if you get this AC adapter from Leadleds and this LED sign, you can use this LED sign in your car or office or home or shop, so it's widely in use. Now I will show how to delete the banner message. I connect it. Okay, I will power it, and this is banner message. If I want to show it always, okay, I press the play. Okay, some people may want it to show the mirror, so if you install this LED sign in your car and see the message in the mirror and display the message in the normal. Okay, I delete this message, right? Press edit, press done. I show this LED sign display can display the multi-language like Russian, French, Spanish number, and press the shift to no case or okay. After finish your message, press store and press banner. If you want to continue display the message, press play. Yeah, that one. The banner message always display your customer message. And if you want to continue press message the same way, program your message, and after finish the program your message, just store and store the message to M0 to M9. So totally it can store lots of message. And when you want to show this message, just to press the button. Okay, I just stored one message in the banner. Okay, hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video. It's made by Leadleds.